Next example, the store is selling lemons at 34 cents each. Each lemon yields about 2 tablespoons of juice. How much will it cost to buy enough lemons to make 2 9-inch lemon pies, each requiring half a cup of lemon juice? Well, let's start off with what we know. We have 2 pies. Put that over 1. Each pie requires a half a cup. Let's do 0.5 cup juice. What else has juice? Tablespoons. We need to remember or look up capacity, tablespoons, teaspoons, tablespoons. 16 tablespoons in 1 cup. We have that. So that would be 1 cup is 16 TBSP, tablespoons. And we know that 2 tablespoons of juice in 1 lemon. And finally, 1 lemon costs 34 cents. And this long string of conversion factors is slowly but surely converting from pies into dollars. Let's see what we get. Stuff along the top. Then divide by each thing on the bottom. There's only one. $2.72. Awesome. Go ahead and work out the problem on the right and see what you come up with. All right, you should end up with the 4 gallons is 64 cups. And the 7 bottles is 56 cups. And so you end up with an exact amount, 120 cups of liquid.